Welcome to my comprehensive guide on frugal living, based on the teachings and lifestyle of billionaire Warren Buffett. If you're currently on the path to building wealth and striving for financial freedom, you've come to the right place. Now, despite his vast wealth, Buffett is known for leading a relatively modest lifestyle compared to other billionaires. Some may criticize him for being cheap, even within his own family. However, it's crucial to understand that his mindset revolves around valuing money and making prudent financial decisions. By practicing frugality early on, he was able to accumulate capital rapidly during his younger years. Regardless of our net worth, we would all benefit from appreciating the value of our money and making wise choices when it comes to spending and investing. In this video, we'll explore 31 actionable tips for frugal living, grounded in Buffett's financial principles, teachings, lifestyle, and memorable quotes. By implementing these tips, you can transform your financial habits, save money, and gradually build wealth over time. Number 1. Never lose money. Rule number 1. Never lose money. Rule number 2. Never forget rule number 1. Preserving your capital and avoiding risky ventures are key to steadily growing your wealth. Always consider the potential risks and losses before making investment decisions. Refrain from squandering money through reckless spending or bad investments. Number 2. Invest in yourself. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Allocating resources to enhance your skills, knowledge, and overall well-being can lead to improved opportunities and higher income potential in the future. This type of long-term investment can yield various benefits. Acquiring knowledge and honing your abilities can empower you to save money by handling tasks and challenges on your own, eliminating the need to pay others for services. Number 3. Save before you spend. Don't save what's left after spending. Spend what's left after saving. By making saving a priority, you ensure that you consistently grow your wealth. This approach helps prevent reckless spending and allows you to adhere to your budget. Remember to prioritize yourself when it comes to allocating your earnings. Pay yourself first and ask, who am I working for if not for my own financial well-being? Number 4. Invest in things you understand. Investing in areas you understand allows for informed decision-making and minimizes the risk of financial losses. Having a deep understanding of an investment opportunity increases the likelihood of making wise choices. By learning to invest on your own, you can be frugal and save money by avoiding excessive management fees. Number 5. Think long-term. No matter how great the talent or efforts, some things just take time. You can't produce a baby in 1 month by getting 9 women pregnant. Having patience is crucial in matters of finance. Instead of seeking immediate gratification, concentrate on your long-term financial goals. Slow and steady progress leads to ultimate success. Number 6. Multiple income streams. Never rely on single income. Invest to create a second source. Diversifying your income streams safeguards you against the risks associated with relying on a single source. Establishing an extra income stream is just as powerful as practicing frugality when it comes to building savings or paying off debts. Number 7. Time is money. The most valuable asset is time. Time is a precious commodity that should be managed wisely. Just as investing money can lead to financial growth, utilizing time effectively can yield personal satisfaction and progress. Be frugal with your time, similar to how you handle your finances, and allocate it wisely. Number 8. Understand the value of money. Price is what you pay, value is what you get. Understanding the genuine value of money extends beyond its numerical value. It involves recognizing the effort and time expended to earn that money, and comprehending the true value of what it can provide in return. Number 9. Avoid debt. Debt can become a burden and restrict your financial independence. It is advisable to avoid accumulating debt whenever possible and prioritize the repayment of existing obligations. Freeing yourself from debt provides a more stable financial foundation and simplifies personal finances. Number 10. Be loyal to your budget. Your budget serves as the blueprint for implementing Buffett's personal finance principles. A well-crafted budget enables you to effectively manage your income and expenses. It acts as a guiding framework for your spending decisions, preventing overspending and fostering savings. Number 11. Value over price. Whether we're talking about socks or stocks, I like buying quality merchandise when it is marked down. The price of an item does not always reflect its value. Prioritizing value over price allows you to make smart financial decisions and maximize the utility of your purchases, whether it's clothing or investments. Number 12. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net during unexpected situations, enabling you to tackle unforeseen expenses without resorting to debt. It serves as a foundation for financial stability and provides peace of mind. Just as Buffett emphasizes the importance of maintaining a significant cash reserve in business and investment portfolios, personal finance should adopt a similar approach. Number 13. Reinvest your earnings. Instead of spending all your earnings, consider reinvesting them to experience exponential growth. Compound interest, where your earned interest generates additional interest, is a potent force in wealth accumulation. By practicing frugality, you can allow your capital to compound and flourish without the need for immediate withdrawals. Number 14. Avoid credit card debt. Credit card debt often comes with exorbitant interest rates, making it an expensive form of borrowing. By avoiding credit card debt, you can save a substantial amount of money over time. Buffett advises many individuals to prioritize paying off existing high-interest credit card debt, as it provides the best returns. Number 15. Live below your means. Living below your means involves avoiding unnecessary expenses and adopting a simpler way of life. This approach is essential in increasing your savings and alleviating financial stress. Buffett prioritizes the quality of life over consumerism. He has found contentment in his standard of living throughout his entire life. His tastes are modest, and he sees no need to indulge in extravagant mansions, yachts, or sports cars. Managing numerous possessions is not something he desires. Remember, the goal is not to deprive yourself, but to find fulfillment and happiness in a simpler and more financially responsible lifestyle. By following Buffett's lead, you can cultivate a mindset that focuses on long-term financial well-being rather than short-lived material possessions. Number 16. Don't follow trends, stick to classics. Following trends can lead to frivolous spending, especially when those trends quickly fade away. Opting for timeless classics in your purchases provides better value for your money. Buffett himself has consistently worn timeless shoes and driven modest cars throughout his life, never seeking to impress others with flashy possessions. Number 17. Be patient with your frugal spending. Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree long ago. A frugal approach to life requires patience and a long-term perspective. By exercising patience and allowing your savings and investments to grow over time, you can enjoy greater rewards in the future as a result of your prudent financial choices. Number 18. Treat your savings as an expense. Treating savings as an essential expense ensures that you consistently allocate a portion of your income for future needs, emergencies, and investment opportunities. Make saving a priority and allocate your funds accordingly. Number 19. Save a percentage of each paycheck. Converting your hard-earned income into savings and investments is crucial. Step 1 is embracing a frugal mindset. Step 2 is consistently setting aside money. And step 3 is strategically putting it to work. By consistently saving a percentage of your earnings, you can steadily grow your wealth over time. It's a disciplined approach that ensures you're building a financial safety net for the future. Number 20. Avoid unnecessary financial risk. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Engaging in unnecessary financial risks can lead to substantial setbacks. It's crucial to fully grasp the implications of your financial decisions to prevent potential disasters. Taking on burdensome mortgages or car payments beyond your means increases the risk of losing those assets if your income becomes compromised. True frugality involves avoiding excessive financial gambles. Number 21. Avoid unnecessary purchases. Excessive spending on unnecessary items can lead to financial difficulties. It is crucial to distinguish between needs and wants to maintain a strong financial position. Don't waste your money on unnecessary purchases, as it hinders your ability to save and invest for the future. Exercise restraint and avoid impulsive buying to protect your financial well-being. Number 22. Don't try to keep up with the Joneses. Buffett never felt the need to compete with the likes of Jeff Bezos by splurging on luxury yachts or extravagant mansions. Attempting to keep up with others in terms of material possessions often leads to imprudent spending. Focus on your own financial goals and needs instead of comparing yourself to others. Stay true to your values and desires. Number 23. Embrace a minimalist lifestyle. Warren Buffett's net worth is reflected in his minimalist choices. He has resided in the same house since 1958 and held onto his car for over 5 years, respecting his family's wishes. Adopting a simple lifestyle helps eliminate unnecessary expenses and keeps your focus on the truly important things. Remember that true happiness and contentment cannot be acquired through material possessions. Number 24. Reduce dining out. Frequent dining out can put a significant dent in your finances. Taking charge of your own meals at home is not only more cost-effective, but also grants you control over the quality and portions of your food. Even a billionaire like Buffett finds pleasure in affordable dining options like McDonald's and Dairy Queen, demonstrating that frugality can coexist with indulgence. Number 25. Research before buying. Never invest in a business you cannot understand. This principle extends to personal finance decisions as well. Don't blindly follow others' recommendations. Prioritize conducting thorough research to ensure a comprehensive understanding of what you're purchasing, its value, and potential risks. Refrain from making significant purchases unless you possess a complete understanding of their utility and associated risks. Number 26. Don't waste money. Buffett hates squandering money, recognizing its potential as investment capital with the ability to grow exponentially over time. Indulging in impulsive purchases of non-essential items can quickly deplete your savings. Exercise caution before making a purchase and assess whether it fulfills a genuine need or merely satisfies a passing want. Number 27. Make frugality a habit, not a burden. By incorporating frugality into your daily routine, you transform it into a natural way of life, making it easier to sustain. Your financial habits shape your path to wealth or financial struggles, so choose your habits wisely, as they can be hard to change. Number 28. Don't buy what you can't afford. Buffett has always prioritized value and comfort over flashy brand names. Splurging on luxury items that strain your finances can lead to unnecessary financial burdens. It's wiser to save for things you genuinely need and can comfortably afford. Number 29. Learn basic do-it-yourself skills. Mastering fundamental DIY skills can save you a substantial amount on repairs and home improvements. Similar to Warren Buffett, who continues to reside in his reasonably priced home, you can find value in maximizing what you already have. Repairing and maintaining your current house is far more cost-effective than purchasing a new one. Number 30. Base financial decisions on logic, not emotions. The stock market is a device that transfers wealth from the impatient to the patient. Allowing fear or greed to guide your financial decisions can lead to unfavorable outcomes. Instead, approach your finances with a calm and rational mindset. Greed tempts you to overspend, while fear can hinder you from taking calculated risks to grow your savings through investments. Number 31. Embrace cash transactions instead of credit cards. Buffett has always preferred carrying physical cash rather than relying on credit cards. Using tangible money establishes a stronger connection to your spending habits compared to the ease of swiping a card. Opting for cash transactions can help you avoid the pitfalls of credit card debt and high interest rates. It also encourages better budgeting practices and heightens your awareness of the actual money leaving your wallet. There you have it. Practical measures to enhance your money management skills, drawing inspiration from the insights of one of the most accomplished investors in history. Remember, the path to financial independence is a long-term endeavor, not a quick sprint. It necessitates unwavering commitment, self-control, and patience. By integrating these frugality techniques into your daily regimen, you can witness substantial improvements in your financial well-being, enabling you to save more, make prudent investments, and construct a prosperous tomorrow. As Warren Buffett once remarked, someone is currently enjoying the shade because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Begin planting your financial trees today and relish the shade in the future. By the way, if you want to ramp up your body's natural testosterone production to absolute max, you need to try out TESTOSTERONE. TESTOSTERONE is among the best, largest, and most trusted brands of testosterone boosters in the world. I've used it myself for a long time, and guess what? I approve. So if you want your natural T levels to skyrocket, I'll leave a link in the description below. And yes, it's an affiliate link. So if you buy something, you also support this channel. So you get to boost your testosterone and support a hardworking YouTuber. Sounds like a win-win to me.